How to make Keto Parmesan Chicken Alfredo.
4 tablespoons of butter, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, add 4 tablespoons of butter, add 2 ounces of cream cheese, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, put your stove on medium heat. We're going to keep stirring until our butter and our cream cheese is melted. Now that the butter and cream cheese is melted, we can add our half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry Italian seasoning. Let's turn our heat to medium-low. Stir occasionally and let the sauce thicken over 5 to 8 minutes. Once thickened, you can add a pinch of salt and some ground pepper. Now mix it all together. Now let's cook our chicken in a pan. Let's add some olive oil. Add 8 ounces of sliced chicken. Cook on medium-high. You can turn up the heat a little bit to brown the chicken. Once your chicken is thoroughly cooked, aka no pink spots, you can add it to your sauce. Add the chicken to the Alfredo sauce. Once the chicken is added, you can stir in the chicken into the sauce. And then you're done. You have chicken Alfredo.
Please check out my next video to add keto noodles. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.